Hi, welcome to Light Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to enable dark mode on Moviebox. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Moviebox app. Go to the app settings by clicking on your profile icon here. Click on the settings option. So right here, you're supposed to see dark mode or you see appearance. If you don't see dark mode option inside the Moviebox settings, the app may follow your device system theme instead. So all you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, I just have to search for display and brightness. I click on it. So you just have to click on the dark theme option here, and it will automatically switch to dark mode. Apply dark mode across supported apps including Moviebox. So guys, that is it on how to enable dark mode on Moviebox. So you can go back to your Moviebox and check. So right here is my Moviebox. You can see it's already on dark mode. If this video was helpful, please do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.